morning, everybody. Josh, Ezell, Breakthrough Real Estate and Property Management. Hope you're having a fantastic week. We are continuing our health series, and today we're going to be talking about physical health. Now, your physical health is so important, and we mentioned it yesterday under mental health, because if you are physically healthy, it definitely impacts your mental health. And if you are mentally healthy, it definitely impacts your physical health. Your body is so interconnected, and that's really what I want to point out today, because it's truly nothing anybody hasn't heard before. It's just worth repeating and reiterating, right? So, number one, your diet is huge. Make sure you're eating right, eating vitamins, doing what you're supposed to do, eating what you're supposed to eat, just because you know it's the right thing to do, and you will feel better for it, and you'll be able to be at your peak for everybody in your life, right? Same thing with exercise. We all know we need to exercise. That's one of the great things about so many different areas. Like, for example, here in Phoenix, we love to just drive up to Sonoma, go on a hike. There are many hiking places here. If you're not a hiker, there are gyms. You can swim. If you don't have time to go to the gym, you can find a way to work out at home. If you hate working out at home, go for a jog around your neighborhood. There are umpteen different ways, methods to work out to get the physical exercise you need. There are so many hobbies that people can take up. There are so many things we can do. Life will always get in the way. But guess what? Without the exercise, life is not going to be nearly as great, and it actually is going to suck a lot worse than if we actually take better care of ourselves. It should be the priority just as much or more than so many other things that are honestly easier, funner, and don't require hard work. And that is why exercise is tough, and all the more reason why we have to overcome it, right? So you have your exercise. Sleeping is huge for your physical health. Make sure you're getting enough sleep, the right amount of sleep. Everybody's different. Make sure to get what's right for you. Hydration. Here in Arizona, when it's 100 degrees outside, you could blow through water so fast. Keep hydrated. Your body's made up mostly of water, so make sure you drink enough water to keep your body right. To stay at your peak mental capacity, you need to stay hydrated. Okay, enough said on that one. And last but not least, make sure you're doing a little bit of cardio exercise, make sure you're doing a little strength exercise, and make sure you're doing it at least 4 or more days a week, all right? I'm sure this is nothing we haven't heard before, but in a health week, you gotta say these things, right? Please, if you have any more tips, if you have any success stories, anything like that, please share them below. We are all a wonderful community that will all do our exercises and hard work together, right? Have an awesome day. Talk to you soon. Hope you're having a fantastic week. That's not what I was saying. All right. Series, and today we are going to be talking. You're probably